Hey everyone. Hey everyone. My name is Phil from Phil's Conversation, and my name is Phil from Phil's Conversation. Hey everyone. So I realized that a lot of what I do with my students is offer them the opportunity. Hey everyone. So I realized. Hey everyone. So here I am. I'm making I think my 7th video now that I've made ever, and I still feel that I'm a complete beginner, and I feel very uncomfortable sitting here talking into this phone, but I'm imagining other people on the other side, and it's helping me kind of stay focused. Um, and so basically, I need practice making these videos so that I know what to talk about, so that I know what it feels like, and so that I'm less nervous like I am now. I feel like my hands are shaking. And I feel that I can learn from the lessons that I offer my own students and apply them to myself in this situation. So I realized that the only way that I'm going to get better at making videos is by making them, so by practicing. And that's the exact philosophy that I have for my students when in helping them try to improve their English communication skills. So we'll take it from here and see what happens. I hope you will join me on this journey, of course. Um, so for anyone who sees this. Okay, bye, see you next time.